Hello, I'm Donna Warner, expert stager. Today we're going to talk about rugs. Rugs are a great way to anchor a room and enhance your style and decor. You can find rugs all over a house, in the dining room, living room, office, bedrooms, so they're an important design element to consider. Sometimes, rugs even inspire the entire color scheme in a room. When you start with the rug and build from it. The right rug with the right furniture will make all the difference. How big is the room? How much floor do you want to leave showing? The general rule of thumb is to leave at least 1 to 2 feet of space between the edge of your rug and the wall. In placing furniture with a rug, you'll want to have at least 2 legs of a chair or couch on the rug, if not all 4. There are many sizes and shapes of rugs to choose from. It's a matter of deciding what look you're going for in the room. Regardless, rugs are a fantastic way to bring a room together. Confused? Not sure how to choose a rug or to place it? That's where I come in. Contact me today to see how I can transform your space.